Hi everyone, Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you a 30 centimetre square canvas to which I've added some black paint, but it's not exactly a square, it's actually 4 triangular pieces. So what I want to do, I've got some gold, white and black, and I want to do, where did I put my piece of tubing, and I just want to put this on here and some white, and do that on each one, so I can move this. Actually, what I might do, it's not because I don't trust myself, take the paints off and I can just turn the plastic around and start again on each one, just putting the dobs of paint into the centre-ish. Needs a bit more paint there, so I'll just scrape up what I've dribbled off, put it back on again. Beautiful. And a bit more over here. Yes, they're coming up lovely. The recipes for these paints and pouring medium you'll find below. Show more under the video. And whilst they're coming out, don't you dare, cheeky thing. Whilst they're coming out different, they definitely are the same. A bit like family members. And the lucky last. A couple of blotches there, I'll put some more black on in a minute. They're coming out lovely. I really like these. Once these have dried, I'll bring it back to show you. Oh yes. Now some black. to get shed of my dribbles and drabbles. Oops, we dropped the knife. Move that away a bit further, turn him around. And I have to take these apart a bit so that they don't stick. I'll do that in a second. I just get rid of these white bits. Alright, I really like these. So I'm just going to separate them so they can dry. I'm going to oh, bless me. It's so hot and humid here that I have the fan on. I guess it's throwing up a bit of dust as well. But, alright, get over. There you. It's a bit like moving the pieces of pizza, isn't it? Lovely. And you. I think that needs a bit more black just along there. Alright. This is exactly how I wanted it. Very nice. So when it's dry, I'm going to turn them around so these pieces are more into the centre and be able to put them on the wall, you know, separated but close enough together so that you can see the pattern, which is not unlike a Dutch paw really. And I'm just going to put this on here for a second because it's really trying to, my fan is trying to make it blow around. And I'm going to give it a little torch. Where's my towel for my hands? There we go. And I'm going to give it a little torch because I did have some silicone in there. And we'll see what we're doing. So I'll just leave that there for a second. I'll bring you down for a quick look at the wet one, and then tomorrow when it's dry I'll show you the dried way. Excuse me, paint. So here we go. As you can see, it's just the white and gold. This is the second one, and then over here this one doesn't seem to have as much gold, but it definitely does. So, and then the last one of course, and so that's the 4 of them, and I'll bring you back tomorrow. Well, I'm back and it's tomorrow, and these are now finished. They're pretty much dry and I love them. I think they're amazing. But what I'm going to do, you could have them on your wall similar to this or spread out a little bit further, or what I'm going to do is redesign the little pattern, and then I'll be back in a second. Another way to have these would be like that, or even like that, with a clock or a family photo or something in the centre of them. I think that'd look really nice. Really, when you think about it, there's a million different ways you could actually put these on the wall. In fact, if you had a few different clips, you could alternate them, have them a week about or something. I think that would be kind of cool. Well, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed, and please give this the thumbs up. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.